Hello friends! Today we're gonna make the yummy French fries from McDonald's. I'm sure you all like them. Alright, so we're gonna use the yellow clay, the red clay, and beige clay to make our French fries. We have all the three colors of the clay that we're gonna use. And here are the tools: the roller, pocket knife, small knife, cutter, zigzag cutter, and the rolling pin. First, we're gonna make the box, for which we would need the red clay. So take a chunk of the red clay and roll it using the roller. Cut it into 2 pieces. With the rolling pin, we can spread it more. Spread it smooth. Spread some more from the other side. Spread it smoothly. Now with the knife, we're gonna cut the shape of the box like this. And like this. We'll use the rest of the clay and roll it again like this. And again with the knife, we're going to cut the same size of the box so that we can use it to make the box. We join them together. We're gonna cut this shape with the knife, because that's how McDonald's French fries boxes are. We're gonna roll the red clay a little more with the roller. We'll cut out the chunks like this. Smooth out the edges. So now we have the front and the back of the box, and the side and the bottom. You see what we're doing here? We're making the box. These are the sides. Join them nicely so that they don't come off. Press them really well. And the front of the box. Join them together like this. Alright, so we have the box. Let's keep it here. Now take the beige color clay. We clear the table counter so that we have the smooth surface to roll our beige color clay. Let's roll it with the roller. Spread it well, like this. And now with the rolling pin, let's spread it more. With the help of a knife, let's cut out a strip. Smooth out the edges. Spread it some more. Put it on the top like this. At the curve as well. Cut it with the measurement. The other side of the box too. Wow! That looks like Mr. Donald's smile. Now our box looks beautiful. Now we're gonna make McDonald's M. I'm pretty sure we all know how the McDonald's fries box looks like. That's the logo, and it goes right here on the box, which makes it a McDonald's French fries box. Make sure everything is joined properly and it doesn't come off. Let's keep it aside and make some fries, for which we're gonna take the yellow clay and we'll spread it with the rolling pin. We'll keep it a little thick as we like our French fries. Now with the rolling blade, we're gonna cut out the shape of the French fries. Nice and easy. By keeping a thick clay, we get the actual texture of the French fries, just like potatoes. Cut into equal sizes, as much as possible. We all love French fries. Crispy, yummy French fries. Now it's time to put our fries in the box. Let's put them in the box. One at a time. Arrange them in a way that they don't mix up. Let them fit in to give them a natural look. Our French fries are ready! Yay! Wow, kids! Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.